Yes, I gave up my morning tea coffee long ago and switched to this ancient drink that gives the real energy. It's not a caffeine crash. Skip your morning tea coffee, and if you truly want to boost your energy level, watch this video till the end. Ashgourdjuice juice, also known as winter melon or white pumpkin juice, is one of the most powerful natural tonic recommended in yogic science. Drinking it early morning on an empty stomach helps cleanse your digestive system, boost your metabolism, and balance your body's energy level. It cools your nervous system, enhances your focus, and also supports weight management. No sugar, no additives, just pure ashgourdjuice juice. And if you're prone to cold cough, just add a teaspoon of honey and a pinch of black pepper. That's it. You will feel natural energy all the day long. Natural way to start your day with clarity and calm. Try this for just 7 days and experience the shift in your energy, focus, and mood. And share your experience in comment box. And don't forget to subscribe for more powerful habits to boost your mind and body. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video.